today we are working with something called the Knobless cylinder graph. I am going to take each cylinder out of the box and I'm going to sort them by how thick they are and how tall they are.
And small?
Listen to my words. Thick, thin, tall, or what's the opposite of tall?
Small.
Short.
Short.
That's how we are going to sort our cylinders in all 4 boxes. So I have to sort those cylinders. First I have to find the diameter. So this is the diameter, and the height is this height. So this one is going to meet right here. The next thickest one is this one. But the height is the same. This one is the thickness, and the height is where they meet. This is the thickness, and I have to see where the height is. That's where they meet. This and this. Since they're all the same height, I can just assume that it's going to come here. So if this is the thickness, it's going to come here. Okay. These cylinders change. This one is long or tall and thick. This one is short and thin. This is thick and this is thin. This is long and this is
Short.
So I'm going to start with this one. This is the thickness and this is the height.
We're just making a tower.
So this one is the right thickness, but let's check the height. No, this is too long. This is the height. So this guy goes right here. This one is his thickness. So this is where it goes, the thickness. And the height is this much. Thickness. Let's see if the height. Can you guys see how I test the height?
I could take a tree.
No, that's too thick. That's the right one.
Will you make it a giant? What's he doing?
All right. The green box. The green box has,
Circles.
this one is
A
are cylinders. Cylinders. This one is thick and please sit down. You might fall.
He was trying to see. I was watching him.
So this one is thick and thin. I mean, thick and short. And this one is thin and
Short.
is he short?
Tall. Tall.
Thick and short,
And
thin and
tall.
right. So this is the proper thickness with this one. But look how tall he is. So this is where this one goes. This is the proper thickness. So this one goes here. I can maybe easier if I match them all to the thickness first.
Why don't you just
And then we can move them depending how tall they are. No. Yep.
I never tried out work in my home.
Yep. So now I matched the thickness. The next thing I need to match is how tall. So this one is this row. Let's see. Yep. And this one here. And this one here. And this one here. Nope. Yep.
That's a
Too
lot
long.
of people.
Nope. There we go. That's the right one.
That's people. There's a lot of people just waiting for the bus.
Yeah.
That's a lot of people.
That's the longest one. So these guys. Okay.
Hey, what's up? Hey. What is that? That's
Look
the
at
one.
those. Those are all.
Cylinders.
They're all cylinders, but they're all the same thickness. So the only
This
difference
all
is
people. Those are all
the
people.
same thickness, but this is what? Long, and this one is
Sure.
right.
This is it.
So they all are the same thickness. They all go here. The only thing that's different is the length. All right. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens. So they all have to go on this row because they're all the same thickness. See? They're all the same thickness. So the only thing I have to look for is height. Oh boy.
Let's put the people, the steady on top and color people. No, it's called them. Yeah. What happened? There we go.
Are we missing one of those?
Yeah.
What?
I didn't have so many of them.
We're missing one of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we're missing one blue one. Oh. Here, Lord.
The morning class, take it. Friends at home.
You are the morning class. Cover your nose.
No, I'm not.
So boys and girls, this is, please listen, this is what graphing is. We sorted these by how, what?
Wow.
thick they are and how long they are. And we made a graph.
And how short.
Oh,
I didn't get it at my house.
I'll talk to Amy. Her dad made us a cylinder before.
You can also buy them.
I did.
But, and you know, this just gives us a lesson of how
It is a
important
good
all of our
lesson.
materials are, every single
These
one
are
of them.
precious. Some of these materials are older than you guys.
Yeah.
We've had them for a very long time. So this is my graphing work for today.